I had finished studying and I was making minimum, and I had my student debts, and I was just looking for jobs. I tried, after the Hurricane Maria, I tried Detroit. It didn't go so well, so I kept searching, and one of my brothers had already come over here. And he told me, why don't you check where I'm working at? I mean, they're constantly looking. And I applied and I got called. I got here a month before, and then she got here like around November, and 4 days later we got married. Completely different to what we were expecting. I was trying to plan a wedding for like 2 years. When I saw that she took the leap of faith, I'm like, okay, we'll do what we can with what we got now, and we'll build up to, whatever we want in the future. We do go to church. We do believe that, God takes care of us. I think in this process he's really been guiding us, because 3 major life changes, everything went so well. We bought a small RV. We lived there for almost a year. When we actually get the opportunity of buying the lot and seeing that we can get a mobile home, like a big mobile home. I mean, I'm moving from a 26-foot RV into a 1,000 square feet home. Half the time I wasn't believing it. A year ago I was struggling to find a job, and here we are buying a home and working on the lot and doing all this stuff, and it was just major changes, but it felt so right. It was like just peaceful, and we're like, okay, we'll keep moving. And when we had that issue with the city, we were like, no, this is our home. It just feels right. We got to keep fighting and make this happen, because it's meant for us. And you guys made it all that much easier on us. I didn't know what were the price ranges. I tried to do research, a lot of information online. It wouldn't give me like price ranges for a single wide or a double wide. So I was in the dark when I was looking, until I stumbled upon your page. All my questions were answered. I had an idea of the price range. On your website you have estimator for shipping. I'm like, okay, I have another idea of shipping. And it said, do you want to include AC and the other stuff installed? Okay, I get an even clearer picture of what I'm looking at. I felt comfortable because you had all the prices online. It's not something I saw that was common. So I'm like, if these guys are putting this online, it's something different. I know what to expect. I can prepare for that, but if things change along the way, that's something that's gonna get me frustrated. Krista, she made it so simple for us. Apparently she was doing a whole lot more work behind the scenes that we never saw. It was her first home buying process, and she made it super simple. So she did a whole lot of overtime work on her half to make it really easy on us, because I'm honest, it was too easy. Simply put, I don't think it was gonna happen, and Braustin made it happen. You did all the hard work for me, and you explained everything, and you're like, yeah, we can move forward and we can make it happen. It's helping us start without major worries. She needed some English classes. We can pay those, and she can go over there to San Antonio, get them, and then eventually I know she's gonna be able to find a job. It's just gonna make life that much easier every day as we move forward.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Hearing stories like these reminds us every day exactly why we started Braustin in the first place. If you want to hear more stories about the families we've helped and the challenges they've overcome, visit our website at www.findmymobilehome.com/stories. As always, don't be shy with any questions you may have. We look forward to hearing from you. We'll talk to you soon.